Hello, Eco Clean Queen here. It is my passion to teach you how to clean using eco-friendly cleaning methods. About 4 months ago, I got my Eco Clean Queen idea started, and I posted on Facebook that I would be launching this YouTube channel, and several people were asking questions. I tried to answer all of these questions into one video, but it was a little too much information. So what I'm going to do is break down these videos one question at a time. Question number 1 from Sharzad Morgan. She asked how to clean the blinds. Cleaning the blinds is something you want to do every 2 weeks at least. It takes about 15 minutes per set of blinds to clean. However, if you maintain them every 2 weeks, it'll be a lot easier and quicker. These are the types of blinds that I have. It's just one straight sheet, super easy to clean. But if you have those types of blinds that have several slats, that's what I'm going to be explaining in this video. I'll use Pinterest as a visual so you can see what type of blinds I'm talking about. First, what you want to do is start with a feather duster. Start from the top and just swipe all the way down, making sure that all the dust goes right to the floor. The next step is grabbing castile soap, and you can put a couple of drops in some water in a bucket and just mix it around. Grab your towel. I use surgical rags, and then I'll go ahead and put it in the solution and wring it out as much as possible so that it's damp. With the damp rag, I will make a claw. So if you take your hand like this is your claw. Just take it with the rag and you'll start from the top and go on each slat and work your way down. On the blinds, there are several grooves in between where the strings are holding the blinds. That you can clean with a toothbrush. So you can also use that same solution of castile soap and water. Dip the toothbrush in the castile soap and water. Start from the top and just start cleaning in between the strings. The next step is grabbing a new fresh clean towel, and you'll want to dry the entire blinds. So you can start from the top. You can also make a claw and just go from right to left or left to right and work your way down. The final step is buff and dry. I clean everything and then I buff it dry because it gives it a nice shine. It removes any lint that might be left over from the rag, and it'll look flawless. So you want to start from the top again. You can make the claw with your hand and work your way down. If you like cleaning videos, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. You can hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to be notified of any other upcoming videos. Hopefully this video was helpful for you to learn how to clean your blinds. Thank you so much, Sharzad Morgan, for your question, and we'll move on to the next.